Part 2 naman tayo ngayon ng pagtutour natin dito sa Saigon Post Office. Yung entrance. Tapos yun, makita mong picture na yun. This one. That is Ho Chi Minh. Walking tour ulit. Pasok tayo sa gilid-gilid. So, ayan. Yung mga salakot, guys. Yung mga, ano to, figurines. Bigyan ng souvenir pala dito. Kasi kung how much. How much per item? Na to, siya ay nagkakahalaga ng 100,000 dong. So mga 600. 2, 4, 6, 8, 900. At least you know the pricing. Mas bubili ng t-shirt eh. Siguro ang worth niya is around 900. Kasi 390,000. Pero yung mga design, karamihan very propagandist. Mga magnets, how much? 50,000. But I don't think this is magnetic. 50,000 pero hindi siya magnetic eh. Ito yata magnetic, I don't know. 80 pesos, I think. Kung tourist talaga yung price dito. They have caps. 250,000. Pwede rin yung cap. Mas big yung t-shirt eh. This one 90,000. Mga 200 pesos yung ganitong style. Magneto 80,000. Yung mga ganito 90,000. Yung parang pang design. Yung ganitong keychain, I don't know how much. 170,000. So mga Sorry?
You are creator of videos, YouTube videos. What kind of instrument is this?
This is what we call DJI Pocket 2.
Okay. So it captures some good videos,
Yeah.
like a DSLR or something.
Yes, similar to that. Up to 4K if you want. Yeah, but I'm only using 1080 because it consumes a lot if you have, you know, larger resolution.
And the mic is attached to it.
Yeah.
This is separate attachment. But
Yeah.
Bluetooth.
Yes. Remote
How
mic.
much does this cost for?
Well, it cost me around, well, in pesos is 20,000. For example, in dollars,
Yeah.
around $350, $360.
Okay.
It's pretty cheap because it's already discounted.
Which is
Yeah. It actually costs more, like twice, especially for, you know, the latest version. This one is just the
which brand is
2
this?
DJI. That one, DJI.
DJI. Okay. So this is the camera only.
Yeah. Then you can, when you press this price, then you'll, you know,
Nice.
voice, you know, camera.
Which country you're from? Which country you're from?
Philippines. And you are?
India.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Thank you.
My name is Kim. You?
Mehul.
Mayhood.
Yeah.
Right. Nice meeting you.
Thanks.
I'm not sure if it's the same store. 150,000. Postcard is around 30,000. Yeah, postcard, this one 80,000. Notebook. You have this like coffee maker, it's like 490, 150,000. $160,000. So that's around 80,000. I think ganito 70,000. Parang pwede ko yung ganito. 70,000. 50,000 siguro mga 100, 120, 115. Mamaya pa mga 140 pesos. That's huge na amount na to. 35,000. 80 pesos actually. Very similar lang naman kung yun nasa kabila. 60,000. So magkano nga yun? Kanina it's around 100,000. Pero 2 pieces na yun. 100,000 2 pieces. That's not bad. Hindi ko mabibili. Good deal yun. 110. Maybe for each. I doubt it's 110. More like 100,000 each. Yeah. I think this one is cheaper here. This is XL. 100,000. Matsa pupunta tayo din. Okay na yung price niya. This one is medium. I'm not sure if this is my size.